it finally came to an end.
Years after an I-team investigation prompted the arrest of a local property manager, the felony case is closed, and the victim, who turned to 10, is getting justice.
NBC 10 I-team reporter Tamara Sakarsik has the wrap-up of the story she's been following for years.
You may remember this man right here, Chris Pianka. He was arrested after my investigation exposed he was renting out a home that belonged to the bank. Well, the case is now closed, and the victim who initially called me is getting money back. A happy ending for a woman who turned to 10 2 years ago. Has justice been served?
Yes, I feel like he's being held accountable for his actions.
When our investigation exposed the home she had been living in was the center of an alleged property scheme.
In 10 days, I'm going to be homeless with my kid, and nobody has any type of compassion.
That was in 2022, an interview that launched our investigation into this man, Chris Pianka. We uncovered he had been charging Nicole Babbage rent for a Cranston home that belonged to the bank.
It was one of the worst times of my life. A lot of stress, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of what ifs, not knowing.
Nicole signed a lease agreement with Pianka in 2019, days before the property was foreclosed on. The lease stated the house was under pending litigation, but a court case had never been filed. A lis pendens, which places a cloud on a home's title, was dissolved in 2020 after Navy Federal Credit Union sued the owner of the house. The bank won that case, yet Nicole continued to pay rent to Pianka well into 2022. Days after our first story aired, Pianka was hauled into court for allegedly obtaining money under false pretenses.
The defendant was not authorized to rent the home. An investigation was completed and a warrant was issued for his arrest, Your Honor.
Years later, Pianka has been sentenced to 10 years probation and 10 years restitution after pleading no contest to the charges, putting Nicole's nightmare to bed.
He knew what he was doing was wrong. He took full advantage of a situation that he should never have put me or anybody else in.
What would your advice be for other consumers who may be desperate and looking for housing?
Do your research, meet with the people. Don't just say, okay, this is what I need, this is what you have, this is where I'm going, because you have to do your research these days because people are only out for themselves.
I tried contacting Pianka for a comment, but he never returned my calls. For the NBC 10 I team, I'm Tamara Sakarsik.